doubt about the celebration of Maulid. Every Muslim around the world, the majority of Muslims agree about celebrating Maulid. Only a few Muslim or non-believers, unbelievers who deny celebration of Maulid because they think that Maulid celebration is like celebration of Prophet Isa birth in 25 December. But it is different because whenever we celebrate Maulid, it is celebration. In the celebration, we do many good things, rewarding things like giving food to people and reciting salawat, reciting Quran, listening or having religious sermon, religious speech, lecture about the life, the birth, the effort of Prophet Muhammad at the time, his effort, his endeavor at the time for Islam, and with his life with Prophet, with his life, with his companions, with his friends, with his daily life, with his wives, with his attitude or behavior towards all creations, because the birth of Prophet Muhammad is a mercy to all creation. His birth is rahmatan lil alamin, a mercy to all creation.
MashaAllah.
Last night I saw a YouTube status that a bus in London show a writing, Prophet Muhammad is a mercy to all creation.
MashaAllah.
So people around the world become to realize that Islam is religion of peace. No more religion of extremism. Not religion of terror. People around the world become more aware that the Holy Book, Quran, is the source of good information, source of knowledge, including science, and many things has been proven through Quran. And then all Muslims have to realize that the birth of Prophet Muhammad is so important for Muslims' life. We need to emulate ourselves. We need to pattern ourselves after him. We need to think and think deeply about this. His life is really important, not only for our life right now, but also after we die, in the afterlife, in the judgment day. We all people meet him when at the mahsyar, at the big field, the large field. Every human being from Prophet Adam until the last human being will ask for his mercy, will ask for mercy from Allah. But all other messengers will not. All the messengers will not be able to give, to give mercy to all human beings. But all messengers ask, the only one who can help you in this situation is Prophet Muhammad. Everyone will be raised from pada mahsyar, and then everyone will, all Muslim will, especially good deed Muslim, will go to Jannah, will go to heaven. But as long as we recite salawat, the more we recite salawat in our life, daily life now, the closer we are with the Prophet. I think that's all. My opinion.
Alright, any question? Alright, Mr. Fahmi, I got a question for you. Talking about birthday for Baginda Muhammad. So what do you think about people disagree about birthday for Muhammad? For example, is Wahhabism.
Yeah.
What do you think about that?
I think they need more. They need to read more books. They need to learn from more teachers, because they are bigoted. They are close-minded. they don't want to learn from other teacher, they don't want to read other books, many books. They learn from a few teachers that think that the celebration of Maulid is like the celebration of Christmas, the birth of Isa. They want to make similarity Islam with other religion, but this is not the same. They are, I don't know, they need to repent, and they need to think more deeply, to think twice before they say the celebration of Maulid is bid'ah or innovation. They are really old school people. I think that's all.
So do you believe in the rice or drink or coffee when we eat about a party, like a propaganda salam every mosque or Islamic religion? You believe that blessed or not, a blessing or not?
Yeah, I think eating the food, drink,
Yeah.
whenever anyone come to celebration of
Yeah.
this is really
Blessing.
Good. This is blessing.
Yeah.
It full of full of good
For our
aura,
health.
good
Yeah.
aura,
Yeah.
good
Sure.
aura for everyone who eat food and drink in that celebration.
So our Muslim very continuously, that very closer with God, right?
Of course,
So they eat very halal, right? Halal food, 100%, right?
every bite of halal food will make someone become have a drive or support to do good things.
Yeah.
Instead of eating haram food, will make them make sin, whether they like it or not.
So do you believe however who you are, for example, whoever you are or who words you are, so don't forget we have the salawat every single time, right?
Of course,
Yeah.
There's a saying that make salawat even though you are here, right?
MashaAllah. I remember the hadith, right?
Yeah.
Even though we have a jama, together, each other, you know what? Yeah. Right, any question? Is kagoyang.
Why in people in Aceh celebrating the birth of Muhammad SAW? Because in my village, to celebrate the birth of Prophet Muhammad SAW only in the mosque.
In Aceh, okay. I think not all place in Aceh celebrate Maulid at home. I think the most place in Aceh celebrate Maulid at mosque or at madrasah, at surau, and also at home. Not only at maybe they celebrate Maulid first from midday or noon until before asar or asar, and then after asar the village will have the celebration at madrasah or mosque. They will have gathering of eating together. So firstly they have at home, or maybe, for example, they firstly make meeting with the head of village. What time should this village celebrate Maulid, and then how many families will make the celebration at home, and then then they will send some of the food to madrasah or mosque in the afternoon. After asar, there will be another eating together at madrasah, because at madrasah there will be some other visitors from other villages as an invitation from this village, who invite some of the representative from other village.
Madrasah.
Sama same like madrasah.
Malay language.
Malay language.
Malay language. Right, got question, right? Right, thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa. This very crystal clear, right?
Crystal clear.
Very simple for explanation for the birthday of Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam. Thank you, Mr. Fahmi Hanifa.
Welcome.